Question 40. When a river is polluted by fertilizer, the following processes may occur. What is the correct sequence for these processes? So, the river pollution, the water pollution that's happening in the river by fertilizer. So, if the river is polluted by fertilizer, eutrophication will occur. Okay? Eutrophication is a process that starts with fertilizers entering the water source, and if the fertilizer gets dissolved in the water, then the plants, aquatic plants, will just love it and they'll grow even more. However, aquatic plants underneath the water are not the only ones that will be happy about this. There are other plants like algae that will obtain or consume these fertilizers and grow more. And it's going to eventually block the sunlight that's entering the water. Since these plants cannot absorb light energy, they can't photosynthesize, and they'll die. If plants die, then the decomposers will decompose these aquatic plants. So, since decomposers are also organisms that will use up the oxygen within the water, usually aquatic plants will supply the oxygen into the water, but since they're dead, there's nothing that can provide oxygen to the water. So there's a decrease in oxygen level, and the other fish and organisms will die because simply there's no oxygen. And more decomposers will decompose these dead organisms, and they'll use even more oxygen, and later there's going to be no oxygen in the river or lakes. So if we identify the order of this process, then the increased growth of producers is correct. It's the first one. And then the increased aerobic respiration of decomposers is the next one. And then decreased oxygen concentration in the water is the final one. It's the last one. So C is the answer for number 40. Okay? Hope you guys had fun with these questions. And if you have any questions, just leave the comment and below. And if you guys can subscribe to my channel, that'd be wonderful. It will help me a lot, because it does actually take quite a long time to make these videos. But with your help, I'll be more than happy to make more of it. Okay, so all the best, and just leave me any comments that you guys want to ask, and I'll see you guys next time. All right, see ya.